So question number 14, 243 raised to power 2 over 5 times 125 raised to power 2 over 3 over 9 raised to power negative 3 over 2. Now if we break 3 raised to power 243 into base 3 is the same as 3 raised to power 5. Then because now we have negative 2 over 5, then times negative 2 over 5, then we multiply by, we have 125, we can break 125 into base 5 is the same as 5 raised to power 3. Then we had 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 over 9. If you break 9 to base 3, this one is the same as 3 raised to power 2, then times negative 3 over 2. Then if you have this one, you can simplify by 5 1 by 5 1. This one is the same as 3 raised to power negative 2. Then times, we can simplify this one. Our power here, sorry, it was supposed to be 2 over 3, where we can simplify by 3 1 by 3 1 is the same as 5 raised to power 2, then over by 2 1 by 2 1 the same as 3 negative 3. Then for this one you can apply the laws of indices, which is the same as 3 raised to power 2 negative 2 times 3 raised to power negative divided by 3 raised to power negative 3, then times 5 raised to power 2. So for this one is the same as 3, then raised to power 2, then negative 3 is the same as plus 3, then 5 raised to power 2. For this one is the same as 3 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 2. So for this one the same as 3 times 25, which is the same as 75. This is our final answer. So thank you.